Draw Big Head Bob with me. Grab your supplies and make a giant head. This is going to be 2 to 3 times bigger than his body. Make the head fatter on the bottom too. Add 2 circles for eyes, 2 smaller circles in the center of those, and then 2 even tinier circles in the center of the second smallest circles that you drew. Then fill in those second smallest circles that you made, but leave the tiny little white circles inside blank. Kind of like you're making donuts. Draw a C shape for the nose and add whatever kind of mouth that you want. I like to smile with a tongue inside by making an upside down U shape and a line in the middle. Draw a little squiggle at the top of his head for the hair. Add a body, whatever clothes or costume you want, and you're done. Thank you for watching and share your drawings with us, please.
Please subscribe.